Question number 2, an object is sliding from rest down an frictionless inclined plane. Frictionless inclined, which means what? It is like air first while it comes down. Okay. So therefore, there's no friction over here. The vertical displacement of the object is 1.5 meters during the first second. The misconception here is that you will always consider this as your 1.5 meter. That is not 1.5 meter. The 1.5 meter is nothing but this height to this height. So this height, the vertical displacement, is your 1.5 meter. Okay, and then what is the vertical displacement in the next second? In the second, maybe the object is over here. Okay, so what is the vertical displacement in the next second? So therefore, the object has come down until here. Is asking you what is this value? How to define this? You know, when the particle is coming downward, see, it is now going sideways and also downwards over here. The only force that is acting on it is nothing but mg. Okay, so therefore we can say the force that contributes it to come downwards is nothing but mg, or the acceleration that is acting on it is nothing but your 9.8 or 10 meter per second square. Thus we can write sy, the vertical displacement, is given by uyt plus half ayt square. That's what we can write. So now uy, what is uy? It was kept at rest. The initial velocity was 0 plus a half into, what is ay? Ay is minus 10 multiplied by t square. What is t here? For the first second, this was the displacement for the first second. So it was 1 over here. You got this one here as it seemed to be. So this is the vertical displacement you got, right? But what is it I'm getting? I'm getting this as minus 5. But here he has given us 1.5. This means what? There's one more misconception here. The misconception is that we assume that ay is equal to minus 10, which is incorrect. I do not know what is the displacement. Okay, maybe there is something else attached to it. It's slowly coming down. The acceleration is not the same one. So now we are not going to go by this one, but we are going to find out the acceleration. Okay, so therefore we should not assume this value. We need to find out this value. Because the displacement is given, so I will assume sy is equal to 1.5 is equal to 0 plus half ay multiplied by t square is 1 square. So I got this one here. So ay should be equal to 3 meter per second square. Okay, this is what I got. Okay, next what I do is I want to do the same thing for the second one also. So as2 will now be u is equal to 0 once again plus half into, this is 3 multiplied by t square. What is t square? 4. T is equal to 2, it's 4 over here. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are 6 over here. It's 6 meters over here. Which means what? This total thing from here to here is 6 meters. Now I want only this one. What is this value? 4.5 meters. Thus the answer is CO.